In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to quickly find overdue issues in Jira using a simple method that works even if you're new to the platform. By the end, you'll know how to spot overdue tickets in your projects, so nothing slips through the cracks and your team stays on track. Let's dive right in. The method I'll show you uses Jira's basic search, so you don't need to worry about fancy queries or filters. First things first, start by navigating to your project inside Jira. You can do this from your main dashboard. Just look for your project in the left side panel or wherever your list of projects lives. If you have several projects, just take a moment to make sure you're opening up the right one. It's easy to accidentally start looking in the wrong spot, especially if you work with multiple teams. Once you're in your project, you'll want to view all the issues, or as Jira calls them, all work. Usually, there's a column or a menu option labeled something like all work or all issues. Go ahead and select that. This ensures we're pulling up every ticket related to your project, so nothing important gets left out. Imagine you're sifting through a physical inbox. You want to make sure you're checking every piece of paper, not just a handful. Now, you'll notice at the top of the screen, there's an option for search modes. Jira typically gives you a choice between a basic and an advanced search. For this method, click on Basic. The basic search makes things way more approachable, especially if you're not comfortable with JQL or advanced filters yet. You'll see a range of dropdowns and options appear that let you filter your results without typing out any code. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the filter labeled Status. This dropdown lets you choose the current state of the issues, like To Do, In Progress, Done, and importantly for us, Overdue. Click to open the Status dropdown, and if you don't immediately see Overdue as an option, don't worry. You can usually start typing Overdue, and Jira will filter the list to show you that option. Select Overdue, and Jira will automatically filter the list to only show issues that are past their due date. Now, here's a quick but important tip. Make sure you're not limiting your search to a single, specific project at this point, unless you absolutely intend to. In Jira, if your filter is set too narrowly, like locking in only one project, sometimes overdue issues might not appear, especially if they're part of cross-functional work or tied to multiple boards. If you do need to expand your search, look for a project filter or scope bar and make sure it's clear or set to all projects. This way, you won't accidentally miss anything. Once you do this, you'll be looking at your full list of overdue issues, ready to review, prioritize, or reassign as needed. Take a moment here. Sometimes you need to refresh the page or wait a few seconds while Jira loads the full results. If your list comes up empty, double-check your filters. Sometimes the smallest selection can hide everything. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to easily track down overdue issues in Jira, helping your team stay focused and responsive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you run into any hiccups, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more practical Jira tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.